In this video, I'll show you the bind commands in FiveM. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if you play FiveM regularly, you probably noticed that a lot of servers rely on commands for different features, whether it's playing emotes, interacting with other players, controlling your vehicles, or using roleplay actions. Chances are, you'll find yourself typing the same command over and over again. So here, instead of manually opening the chat every time, FiveM lets you bind those commands to almost any key on your keyboard. You can instantly execute a command without having to type it. Now to do that, you need to join any server, and once you're in, you can press F8 on your keyboard to open up the console command, and here you'll need to type the following. So bind keyboard, just like that, and then the key that you want to use, for example 9, and the command that will execute when you press that key. So for example, let's put E dance, which is an emote, and basically that's it. This will basically bind the number 9 on my keyboard to a dance emote. Now let's just press enter. If we go back, press F8 again, and we press 9, my character will dance. So now to unbind, you just need to type in unbind keyboard and then the key that you want to unbind. So for example, what I just did is just unbind number 9 key, press enter. So yeah, that's basically it. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Okay,